Hello students, welcome back to our channel for grade 9 biology unit for tutorials. Today we're going to learn about introduction to sexual reproduction in humans. Before we begin, please like, share, and subscribe for more videos. So let's start the lesson. Have you ever wondered how we come into existence? You and I are here today because at one time we were just tiny babies growing inside our mother's wombs. But before that, our parents were once babies, and this cycle continues forever. In this lesson, we'll explore how humans create new individuals. We will also compare this method of creating new individuals with asexual reproduction. After completing this lesson, you will be able to describe the process of sexual reproduction in humans, differentiate between sexual and asexual reproduction, and explain why sexual reproduction is considered a better strategy for species survival. So let's get started. Sexual reproduction is a process used by most organisms to create offspring. Offspring produced through this method are referred to as sexual offspring. Sexual reproduction is a simple process that involves two parents. Each parent contributes half of the genetic material required to create a new individual. Sexual reproduction begins with the formation of special cells called gametes. Gametes are sex cells. Males produce sperm, and females produce eggs. These gametes are produced in the reproductive organs. In males, the reproductive organ is called the testis, and in females, it is called the ovary. Gametes are produced through a process called meiosis. During meiosis, a parent cell divides twice to produce four daughter cells. Each daughter cell has half the number of chromosomes of the parent cell. For a new individual to form, a sperm and an egg must unite in a process called fertilization. Fertilization occurs when a male and female gamete fuse together. This can happen inside the female's body, such as in mammals and some birds, reptiles, and amphibians, or it can occur outside the body. External fertilization is seen in aquatic animals such as fish. In this method, the female releases her eggs into the water and the male releases his sperm into the same water. In humans, fertilization is internal. This means that the sperm meets the egg inside the female's body. When a sperm and egg unite, they form a single cell called a zygote. The zygote contains genetic material from both parents. The zygote then begins to divide. This is called cleavage. As the zygote continues to divide, it moves down the fallopian tube towards the uterus. Here it develops into an embryo. The embryo gets nourishment from the mother through a structure called the placenta. The zygote becomes a fetus and continues to grow until birth. After birth, the baby grows into a sexually mature adult and the cycle continues. In sexual reproduction, the genetic material from two parents is combined to form a unique individual. The offspring will have traits from both parents, such as the shape of the eyes from one parent and the color of the eyes from the other. In this way, sexual reproduction increases diversity in a species. To summarize, sexual reproduction is a process used by most living things to create new individuals. It involves two parents who produce gametes through meiosis. Fertilization occurs when a sperm and egg unite. In humans, fertilization is internal and the zygote develops into an embryo, then a fetus, and finally a baby. Sexual reproduction produces unique individuals and increases diversity in a species. Let's review what we have learned. Question 1. What is the process called when a sperm and egg unite in sexual reproduction? Answer. The process is called fertilization. Question 2. How does sexual reproduction differ from asexual reproduction in terms of parents involved? Answer. Sexual reproduction involves two parents, while asexual reproduction involves only one parent. Please like, share, and subscribe for more videos. Thank you and best of luck for your exam preparation.